Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you password on your gallery, or how can you lock your photos application on your mobile phone, on your Apple mobile phone here. So guys, there is two steps you can do. There is two method you can hide your photos or anything on your iPhone photos. So the first is you can just create a hidden folder. You can say this is utilities and this is hidden folder. You can just switch on your hidden folder here and you will find out the photos, and you just have to click on the hidden folder and you will find out your photos. But if you don't want to do it, you just have to go on your app store here, like this is my app store, and I will find a better app lock application from here. So the third application you can see, app lock password. So you can download this application to lock anything on your mobile phone, like any application or any folder. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.